So here we're going to have a look at how we can import testing resources from FA Davis's website, from books there, into Moodle. So we're going to come down to our resources here for the Canadian Drug Guide, and in here you'll see we have our instructor resources. So what we're looking for here is our testing resources and our test generation software. So if we scroll down here, you can see we've got options for importing content to different LMSs, and we're going to be importing test bank files into Moodle. So I'm going to click here, and that's going to download the files into my downloads folder on my Mac or PC. So you can see I've got this MBZ file, which we can import into Moodle using the course restore function. So we'll come to Moodle, and we're going to come to more options here and course reuse. So in course reuse, we're going to jump away from import and come to restore, and then in here we're going to choose the file that we just downloaded, and that's going to be where we import our questions from. So we'll come to the MBZ file in our downloads folder and upload that. Click upload this file, and then we can hit restore, and we can make some choices about how we restore things here. So if we scroll down, you can see we can click continue, and we're going to choose the option restore into this course and merge the backup course into this course. So basically it's not going to delete any content that we currently have in our course, it's just going to merge it together. So you want to be careful not to select the delete this course option. We'll click continue, and we're not going to include enrollment methods, we'll leave everything else checked here. We'll click next, and then you can see here we have this one section which is going to import the question banks and quizzes into our course. So if I click next, scroll down and then perform the restore, and then once we get this message the course was successfully restored, we can click continue, and you can see we've got the quiz installed here, and if we go to questions we can see all the questions are imported into that one single quiz. If we scroll back up and come to general and then come to more and question bank, then you can see we have all those 400 questions listed here within our course. Some books that you import from will actually have different categories for different chapters, but this seems to have them all pulled into one individual category. So when we come to our course homepage and turn on edit mode, then we can add an activity or resource, click quiz, and then we'll call this quiz 1. And then once we've saved that and displayed it, we can come to our questions and we can click add, and then add from a question bank. And now we can jump to our drug guide for nurses and select questions from that question bank. We can show all 401 there, which means we could use Control and F or Command and F on the Mac and do a search for certain keywords there. So we could search for questions that included certain specific keywords within them. So that's how to add those questions into Moodle and then how to add them into your quiz. If you do have any questions about this, then please do get in touch.